Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is G20 Summit in Brazil. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Ministry of External Affairs recently announced that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Brazil to attend the G20 Summit 2024. India has pledged its full support to Brazil's leadership as the host of the upcoming G20 Summit. Now let's discuss about the G20 Summit. The G20, that is, the Group of 20, is the main forum for international economic cooperation. It plays an important role in defining and strengthening global architecture and governance on all major international economic issues. The G20 has annually rotating presidencies. Brazil will hold the G20 presidency from 1st December 2023 to 30th November 2024. Initially, the G20 focused mainly on general macroeconomic issues but expanded its agenda to include topics such as trade, sustainable development, health, agriculture, energy, the environment, climate change, and the fight against corruption. The G20 summit is the meeting between the heads of state or government of the member countries. The G20 is made up of 19 countries: Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Russia, Turkey, UK and USA, and two regional bodies, the African Union and the European Union. The members of the G20 represent around 85% of the world's GDP, more than 75% of world trade, and around two-thirds world's population. India held the presidency of the G20 from 1st December 2022 to 30th November 2023. Now moving on to agenda of G20 Summit in Brazil. The Sherpa of Brazil at the G20 detailed the agenda of the summit, highlighting the main topics that will be on the table: social inclusion, reform of international institutions, and energy transitions. The opening ceremony of the summit will feature the launch of the Global Alliance Against Hunger and Poverty, a Brazilian initiative aimed at mobilizing countries and international organizations to accelerate efforts in the fight against hunger and poverty by 2030. The world is facing an unprecedented climate crisis, and the G20 countries, which represent the majority of carbon emissions, will discuss strategies to promote a greener and more sustainable global economy. Now let's discuss about role of India at G20 Summit. Building upon the New Delhi Declaration, India aims to foster consensus on tackling challenges like global conflicts, economic instability, climate change, and debt burdens, advocating for equitable solutions for developing nations. New Delhi's focus will be on advocating for increased climate finance. India's diplomatic efforts at the 2023 G20 Summit, which resulted in the adoption of the New Delhi Declaration, laid the groundwork for the upcoming discussions in Brazil. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about G20 Summit. 1. The G20 is made up of 19 countries and two regional bodies, the ASEAN and the European Union. 2. India's diplomatic efforts at the 2023 G20 Summit resulted in the adoption of the New Delhi Declaration. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.